Alright guys, video number 2 on the Volvo oil pan repair. I have sanded the initial material that I used to squeeze into the crack of the oil pan. There was a couple of hairline cracks. I grooved them out, so I created a little divot, and then I went ahead and I pressed in as much as I could with the JB steel stick. I let it dry up and I sanded it with my DA and some 80 grit, flat as I possibly could. It was pretty flat. And then I went ahead and I applied the JB material, this is the regular JB cold wall, which is, your 2 tubes. You got your material and your hardener. And then I went ahead and I applied it with a razor blade, kind of like you would with body filler or putty on repairs and stuff. And you could see it's sagging a little bit, and that's going to do that. I actually may throw on a piece of tape just to hold everything in place, and then once it dries up, the tape comes off. So guys, this is a quick and easy little way to do a repair on an oil pan. By all means, this is not, I guess, what most repair shops would call correct, but when you need to make do and your brother doesn't have $1,000 to do this right, you bail him out, and something you guys at home can do pretty easily with not too much expensive tools and or materials. I do have a lift here, but you can do this in your driveway. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, follow us on YouTube, Copper's Garage, and on, YouTube is Copper Cutlass, and Facebook is Copper's Garage. Thank you.